All right, we're back. We're going to be doing a 2020 Heritage Baseball Hobby Box. This was actually a box we donated to a group that we just recently joined, an Atlanta Braves group. Uh, Pretty cool group, man. They're just trying to help somebody out. It's kind of down on their luck, so we try to jump in and finish off the money they were trying to raise. So we raised $100 for this box by donating it to the group. And just a shout out to Chad Stiers. He actually helped set all that up, and he was the one running the post for the giveaway, trying to help someone out. And he got in on the Raz and he won the box, so that was pretty cool. So we're gonna be doing this one for Chad. Hopefully Chad's there. I like it, Nick. Blake Snell's a monster, man. He's gonna have a good long career. I was just talking to my buddy at the card shop today about some of the guys we like, and I'm a Braves fan, but that guy right there, Fernando Tatis Jr., I think his Top Series 2 card is pretty undervalued, his rookie card. I think you should look into those, man. Try to pick up some in bulk and just pick them up raw. Try to get good, clean ones and get him graded later if he blows up. But I think Tatis, if he stays healthy, he's going to be a star. He's going to be a superstar. So, a lot of the guys are, so expensive already. It's hard to invest in Acuna, Soto, all those guys. So, Chad, hopefully you're here, man. I'm going to check the message one more time. There we go. Sweet. Here we go, Chad. Good luck, buddy. Hope you get a red ink autograph or gold chrome. You got a Don Mason 50th anniversary. It's a 1971 Topps card. That's pretty cool. If I miss a short print, Chad, and you notice it, just let me know. What's up, Jones Bones? Thanks for joining us, man. Romero and Zerk rookie. Perez, Franmil Reyes. I know the codes are different for the short prints on those. James McCann, Moustakas, Jeff Neal, Will Smith, Gary Sanchez, J. Happ. What's the code on these? 13 and 13. If you guys want any boxes, we got a sealed case. Well, we just opened it. Case of Legacy Football. We have Chronicles, Limited, Select. We have 2014 Topps Update Mega Boxes with the Chrome Packs from Mookie Betts, Topps Finest Baseball, some other stuff. So if you guys are looking for anything, just let us know. Phil Irvin, then and now Fergie Jenkins and Strasburg. Trevor Richards, Ian Kennedy, Garrett Cooper. Rookie, A.J. Puck, Seth Brown, and Jesus Luzardo. Nick Markakis, Mitch Haniger, Moncada, and Newman. Choi, Luke Weaver, Jonas, Andrew Benintendi, Andrew Kashner. I think I said Griffin Canning. Austin Hayes. 2019 World Series celebration. That hurts because I'm a Braves fan. Chris, I assume you are too. That was brutal. Yeah, the Cardinals will forever haunt me. Kershaw, Jimenez, Glasnow, Munoz and Baez rookie. Vladimir Guerrero New Age. Andrelton Simmons, Stevenson, Tapia, Malik Smith, former Brave. Molina, Christian Stewart, Dexter Fowler, Astro Celebration. This, I hope there's been a short print that I maybe just missed. I'll go back through everything after the break and let you know, Chris. But they didn't make Heritage a whole lot of fun. We got some legacy football up next, guys. Polo Grounds, Willie Mays, Jesus Aguilar, Kurt Suzuki, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. That's a short print. I don't know if that's just a high number. No, that's the action. All right. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. action. Those are one per box. Tyler Rogers, Cueto, Christian Walker, Garrett Cole, Verlander, and Charlie Morton. Eugene Suarez, Matt Beatty, and Willie Calhoun. Marcus Stroman, Tom Murphy, Soler, Real Muto, Shane Green, Brandon Woodruff. Rio Ruiz, Mike Ford, Yelich, Mancini, Trey Turner, Bauer, and Rogers. The Shields, Sam Hillard and Nunez rookie. Joe Torre flashback. You got a Chrome. Nice. Ronald Acuna Jr. Number 34 and $9.99. Dansby, Pujols. Man, I should have given away a more exciting box. David Dahl, Fultonevich. I like Fulty. I think he's going to have a bounce back year, Chris. He needs to relax on the mound. Carantini, Kevin Biggio, Bo Bichette, Anthony K. rookie. George Springer. Jersey. Max Kepler of the Twins. Miguel Sano, Evan Longoria, Bogarts. I guess they did list last year's. It's a French text or a short print. They put it on the back, so I'll go through those and let you know, Chris. Hopefully, we got like a French text or a throwback uniform. Hopefully some color here. Nope. Willie Mays, Candlestick Park. Dustin May, Gavin Lux, rookie. And that's it for you, Chris. Appreciate you, bud. Those were the three best ones. The Acuna was cool, especially going to a Braves fan. That was nice. Max Kepler jersey and a Vladimir Guerrero action. And I'll check the rest of these out, see if there's any short prints in there. And we'll get them shipped to you. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate you, buddy. Up next, we're going to do some legacy football.